Hello everyone, my name is Val and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a fun ESL question building game called Question Quest. This game is easy to set up and great for working in pairs or groups. It helps students think and talk more in English by creating questions together. They also get better at using different words and sentence styles. Plus, it boosts confidence and teamwork and is fun to play. Here is how you do it. Divide the students into pairs or small teams. Provide each pair or team with a set of the given answers, 1 to 10. It can be any number of answers. Set a timer for a designated period. For example, set it to 10 minutes. Instruct the students to work together to create questions or sentences that correspond to each answer. Encourage them to think creatively and use different question forms. For example, yes or no questions, WH questions, and so on. Emphasize that not every answer requires a question. When the time is up, have each pair or team share their questions with the class. As a class, discuss the questions and answers, ensuring comprehension and accuracy. Award points to pairs or teams based on the quality and accuracy of their questions. Let's take a look at what these dialogues might look like in a real classroom.
Time's up, time's up. Let's hear your dialogues. Who wants to go first, huh? Oh, Val and John, you want to go first? Sure, go ahead. You have a kind smile. Aw, that's the nicest thing that anyone ever said to me. What is the meaning of life? And how can one find purpose and fulfillment in an inherently chaotic and unpredictable universe? I don't know how to answer that. Do you want chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Either is fine. Your English sucks, Val. You are too fat and you talk too much. Huh? I can't believe you said that to me. You stepped on my foot. Are you blind? I'm really sorry. Do you want to go hiking this weekend? No, I'd rather go swimming. How many birds did you see in the park? 55 birds. Have you finished your homework? Have you? What do you think of this painting? This is rubbish. Could you give a speech in front of the class? I can't do that, I'm afraid. Fantastic! Perfect dialogues! Amazing! Mwah! Who's ready to go next?
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Also, if you'd like to support my channel, you can become a patron or a member or show your support by leaving a small donation through Super Thanks, a small icon featuring a $sign. Currently, Mariam Aziz, and I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Please forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. I hope it's correct. Mariam Aziz. So currently, Mariam Aziz is the sole member of my channel, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to her for her support. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.